Hakabai day but kajingwan rung ki kali na kajala Assam san nong ba Shillong but nang pynkhap ngiah shushu ya kanong ba umintri bade kami yak tanat kam chungo kai ka Sorkar chala ba polling do uloong ba ki officer kidang ya kren but ki officer na kajala Assam kanang ban nom ya takhu but kinu ki jing e ki bala ban mi uloong ba ka Sorkar kadang thaulat ban ai lynti nawei pat ki kali na Assam ban lit ben shasora ni chekiwe pat ki jaka klem da rung leng ba kanong ba Shillong but la ai nuksa ba ka we ni kita ka ka surok yam maulendam dak ba phai khmat ki kali ki badang dep palai pai ba dang sian ban kit ki nongwan chungo kai prothei uba pol lo ong bakani kan yarap ban pendunai ka jingwan ki kali na Assam.
I've asked the officers of the department to start engaging in a discussion with their colleagues in Assam so that we have a mutual understanding and we are able to settle the matter in an amicable manner. One. Two is, as you're aware, we've also flagged off new tourism vehicles. Okay. Now, within the next few weeks, we should be able to, now we've been able to launch about 50 new tourism vehicles and by March next year, another 50. Meaning that these are exclusively for the purpose of ferrying tourists. So once we are able to fill up that deficiency on our own, then the number of cars from Assam will come down. One. Two is we are also working on identifying new routes for the movement of these cars. For instance, there is the new road being constructed from Meghalaya, which will be able to then not enter Shillong, but cars can move directly to reach up to Sorkar. So we are in the process of identifying these new routes, and in fact, the Meghalaya road is under construction so that movement of vehicles can start happening without them entering Shillong. See, at least an initiative has started, and all along everybody was coming using their own cars or hiring cars from Assam. Now we are in the process of flagging off more such cars, and we expect about 500 such vehicles in the next 5 years. So that will fill up a major lacuna that we have right now. And two is, when you encourage high-end tourists, you also encourage responsible tourism, because these are people who can invest more in the tourism sector, spend more. The spending power is more. So when you have one guy who can spend more and he takes the place of 20 guys, so the number of footprints also gets reduced accordingly.
Shimya ka kabu sha ka lawe ka ba kwat bakhya da ka ba phiwan man pha pet bat sha sumar haka the Shillong Heart Clinic ka badan Hanongram Hills Shillong phila ban chu phone ne pha message ban bu por yakin do ba Dr. Sinrang Batngen Wadri u Dr. Bala Pentibet haka ban sumar jing pang klong snam ka clinic ka play man ka sngi light no ha ka sngi u blay na do ka khatwei baje min step ha do henry baje jan me